abort the delete operation performed by suiteCRM when inside the before delete logic hook. So what happens is that, for example, you created a logic hook that fires up on the before delete event. So at this point, for example, you notice something that the person shouldn't be doing, and you would like to delete this, you would like to abort this deletion procedure. Currently, there's no built-in way of doing this, but there's a simple modification that you can perform which would allow you to do this, which is by modifying the file which is inside the data folder called sugar bean. And you would modify the function called mark deleted, and right underneath this line of code, you would add the following. So what this will do is basically it will fire up the logic hook, the before delete logic hook, and it will check if the abort mark deleted flag is set to true. And if it's set to true, like it is here, it will abort the rest of the operation, which basically marks the record as deleted, deletes the relationships, and does basically just deletes the record. So this can be pretty useful. It's from the testing that I've done, it's safe, but use it at your own discretion. It's not part of the latest release, but it's something that I plan on adding to the release and getting it approved by the team to make sure that it's that it doesn't break anything. But it's pretty safe. So what happens is that we check if the flag is set, and just in case we even remove that flag, and then we return, which basically exits out of this current function. There's no other method. The testing that I've done is, for example, you can do something like bean mark undelete. So this is going to supposedly undelete the record, but the problem with this is that when you undelete the record, it does not restore the relationship. So when you're deleting a record, the relationship gets destroyed, and by marking it undeleted, you're restoring the record itself, but you're not restoring the relationship. And even if you did restore the relationship, even if it did was restoring the relationship, it would potentially fire up other logic hooks that you have in place, for example, when the relationships are added, so the behavior would be unpredictable. In this case, you're just aborting it. You're just like exiting out of the method that does the deletion of records. So if you found this video at all helpful, please leave a like and do subscribe, because more of these will be produced in the future. Thank you so much.